Investigation report.
Okay, now in year 11, okay, in week 11 to week 13, this is your last area of study. We're doing the detailed study, sustainable energy sources, basically renewable energy. So what I need you to do is, we don't have a weekly assignment, but for week 11, you need to submit me a proposal of investigation report. So let me just don't be stressful. Just let me explain what it is. So the whole idea is you need to do an experiment, okay? And you need to design that experiment, and you need to conduct your own experiment, and you need to write me a proper experimental report in 3 weeks time. So step one of doing that experiment is to create a proposal. So if you go down to page um, well if you go down basically to page okay, if you go down to page 11.7 or 11.8, okay, uh, here are some investigation examples, but you don't have to do them, you don't have to follow them. So you need to make your own one, and when you do it, think about it. Think about what is your aim. What do you want to investigate? Do you want to investigate solar energy, or wind energy, or uh, hydro energy? Depends on what you want to investigate, and you need to tell me how you're going to investigate. Just make the proposal short, short and simple. Make them in dot point if you can. Uh, so, yep. So the idea I need you to submit a proposal this week is I need to make sure that you're on the right track, okay? Because I'm not seeing you every day, and I need to know you're on the right track. Uh, so now let's go to the experiment itself. Uh, the experiment has to be related to renewable energy, and so you need to be able to measure the energy. Okay, I gave you an example of I gave you an example uh, yeah, of a previous student's work. Okay, so the design was quite simple. Okay, what he tries to do is he tries to uh, investigate uh, the solar power. Okay, so what's happened is he has he has three different Coke bottle. Okay, basically three bottles. Okay, just sorry for the drawing. Okay, three bottles here, okay, of same size. Okay, I draw them differently. And what they do is, okay, what he did was on a hot summer day, they put it under the sun, and they gave these three bottle. They paint the three bottle into three colors: black, red, and say white. Okay, actually transparent. Okay. No, I just use this transparent. He leave it for out for 10 minutes, and then measure the temperature of each bottle, because of course he measures the temperature before and after of each bottle, just saying uh, which color absorbed more energy. Okay. So this is considered as an investigation of solar panel, and in the aim he just write down investigate the effect of color of the absorbers on solar light. Okay, and from that, it doesn't have to be very difficult. It should be a simple experiment. Okay? There are plenty of different experiment you can do. Okay? So the other one would be if you have a water tank at your home, or if you don't have a water tank, what you can do is you can measure. Um, you can measure the if you put a hose up about 1 meter up. If you have a pump, so just measure. You can measure basically uh, the mechanical energy you can harvest at different water levels. Okay? But you need to. The idea is you need to design your own experiment. Okay? And as a requirement for this week, when you think about what you're going to do, before you write down the project proposal to me, please give me a call. I want to discuss your experiment with you. I need to make sure that you are on the right track because the experiment is due in 3 weeks. I don't want you to spend the time, uh, well, I don't want you to be on the wrong track and waste all your times. Then finally it doesn't work. Yep. The other thing I can recommend you to do is you can always go to Dick Smith Electronics. They sell little electric motor. So basically you can turn basically you can turn the motor by hand and generate electricity. And you can do various of things about electrical energy. Oh, also they have solar panels. They have small like $10, $20 solar panels. If you put it under the sun, it generates electricity and it tells you the current of the electricity. So there are plenty of things you can do, but you need to give me an idea, then give me a call, then I can help you to set it up. Okay. So in this week, I'm only interested in the project proposal. Okay, so about the weekly assignment, about those weekly questions, you don't have to submit this time. I gave you, the weekly questions here in your notebook is about calculations on energy. Okay, I will send you the email. Yes, sorry. I will send you the official solutions of this. Okay. You can just try to do those questions, check the answers by yourself. And the main question is question 7, your investigation proposal. You need to basically write it in a simple, uh, do it as simple as possible. Write your proposal as simple as possible, and before you do it, give me a call. We talk about that. After you do that, send it to me. This is question 7 is the only question you need to send it through to me this week. Okay, so next week, you're going to work on your experiment. You need to organize your experiment. Okay, in your notes, in the DECV notes, page 12.2, there's a rubric for it. This is basically for yourself. Okay, this you need to. We will talk about the final experiment writing later on. I will make a video for it. But in the meantime, just concentrate on the proposal, and it is compulsory to contact me. Also, this project is also compulsory. You need to, even though you get 100% in the exam, but if you don't do this practical project, I cannot pass you on Uni 1 physics. You just need to do the experiment.